So in this class, we have to explain about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. So some named reactions. So some important named reactions. So the first one is Finkelstein reaction. So the first one is Finkelstein reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? When alkyl halide, we write as alkyl halide R dash X. This is alkyl halide. When alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide, it gives sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. It gives alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide, and byproduct is sodium halide. So simply we render this one. R plus X minus Na plus I minus. So mechanism is R plus X minus Na plus I minus. So X minus Na plus Nx. So alkyl iodide. So this is known as Finkelstein reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? When alkyl halides react with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to give alkyl iodide. So this is known as Finkelstein reaction. So note, one thing you have to know. In this reaction, alkyl iodides are prepared. Alkyl iodides are prepared. So that means to prepare alkyl iodide, we use Finkelstein reaction. So example 1. Here X is equal to chlorine or bromine. X is equal to halogen, we use chlorine or bromine. So R dash X. For example, first alkyl group is methyl chloride plus sodium iodide. So we have to remove sodium chloride byproduct. Methyl iodide plus sodium chloride. So this is, we know that methyl chloride, alkyl halide. This is methyl iodide. Next example 2. We take another thing. Ethyl, second alkyl group. X is halogen bromide. Ethyl bromide plus sodium iodide. So byproduct is the sodium bromide. So main product is ethyl iodide plus sodium bromide. So this is ethyl bromide. So the second named reaction is, second one is Swartz reaction. So what is Swartz reaction? So this reaction is used to prepare. So this reaction is used. This reaction used to prepare alkyl fluorides. So what is what? An alkyl halide R dash X. Here X is equal to chlorine or bromine. This R dash X is equal to alkyl halide. Alkyl halide react with metallic fluoride. Metallic fluoride. So the metallic fluoride such as silver fluoride or cobalt fluoride or mercuric fluoride or antimony fluoride. These are the metallic fluoride. When alkyl halide react with metallic fluoride, it gives, so that is alkyl fluoride R dash F. alkyl fluoride. So example is, for example, here X is equal to halogen, chlorine or bromine, methyl chloride plus metallic fluoride. Let me take silver fluoride. We know that. So CH3F plus AgCl. So CH3 methyl Cl chloride. Methyl chloride. This is the metallic fluoride. This is silver fluoride. Silver fluoride. When methyl chloride react with silver fluoride, it gives methyl fluoride. This is the first alkyl fluoride. Example 2. Next one, for example, C4H9, butyl, Br means bromide, butyl bromide. Butyl bromide react with AgF's silver fluoride. Then it use butyl bromide, that is C4H9F, butyl fluoride. Butyl fluoride, byproduct is AgBr. So in this reaction, methyl fluoride, butyl fluoride are prepared. So what is the main use or application of this Swartz reaction? To prepare alkyl fluoride. So this is the main formula. What is Swartz reaction? When alkyl halides reacts with metallic fluoride, it gives alkyl fluorides. Here X is equal to chlorine or bromide. We use the metallic fluorides as silver fluoride or cobalt fluoride, mercuric fluoride or antimony fluoride. So the third reaction is Grignard's reaction. Grignard reaction. So what is Grignard reaction? When alkyl halide, that is say R-X, alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether to give alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl, R means alkyl, M means magnesium, X means halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagents. Grignard's reagents. So this reaction is known as Grignard reaction. What is Grignard reaction? So R-X here is alkyl halide. When alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives R-MgX, RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. This reaction is known as Grignard reaction. So here X is equal chlorine, bromine, iodine. So example is example 1. So first alkyl halide, methyl chloride plus magnesium. Methyl chloride react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. It gives methyl magnesium chloride. It gives methyl magnesium chloride. Next, example 2. Second alkyl group, for example, C2H5 ethyl magnesium. We take Br, bromide. So ethyl. So next alkyl group, next alkyl halide is C2H5Br. This is ethyl. Br means bromide. First alkyl halide is methyl chloride. Second one is ethyl bromide. React with magnesium in presence of dry ether. It gives ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. So these are known as Grignard reagents. So the fourth one is Wurtz reaction. So what is Wurtz reaction? So generally this reaction is used to prepare alkanes. So then this reaction is used to prepare alkanes. This is one of the alkanes preparation method. Alkanes. So first, when alkyl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it give alkyl 2 moles alkyl halide, 2 moles sodium, 1 mole alkane and 2 moles sodium halide. So the main product is alkane. So what is Wurtz reaction? When alkyl halides react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives alkanes. So this is known as Wurtz reaction. Here X we take chlorine, bromine, iodine. So example we know that first alkyl halide is 2 moles methyl chloride plus 2 moles sodium react with 1 mole, that means in presence of dry ether, that gives 2 methyl group, it converts as C2H6, ethane, second alkane, first one methane, second alkane, plus 2 moles sodium chloride. So example 1. Example second one is, for example, 2 moles ethyl bromide plus 2 moles sodium metal in present ethyl. This is methyl chloride. So this is ethyl bromide. We have sodium metal in presence of dry ether. So here 2 ethyl, so 2 ethyl group converts as 1 more butane. So C4H10, that is butane, 4th alkane plus sodium bromide. So this reaction, you know that ethane, butane, they are alkanes. So this reaction is used to prepare alkanes. So the fifth reaction is fitting reaction. So what is fitting reaction? This reaction is used to prepare diphenyls. That means diphenyls means this is 1 phenyl, so 2 phenyl groups. So what is fitting reaction? So this reaction is used to prepare diphenyls. So that means when aryl halides. So what is aryl halides? So we know that this is benzene. So when we remove 1H, this is phenyl. It is also known as aryl. So this is aryl halide. So what is fitting reaction? When aryl halide, so this is benzene, C6H6. So when we remove 1 hydrogen, this is phenyl. Phenyl group is also known as aryl. So this is aryl X. Now this is aryl halide. So when aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, that means 2 moles aryl halides, 2 moles aryl halide react with 2 moles sodium, it gives diphenyl. Diphenyl as main product and byproduct is sodium halide. So example 1. So aryl halide, for example, electricity X as chlorine, that means 2 moles phenyl chloride. This is phenyl This is phenyl chloride or benzyl chloride react with 2 mole sodium in presence of dry ether. Now this 2Cl, 2Na, it is removed as 2 mole sodium chloride. Now there are 2 phenyl groups. 2 phenyl groups connects as diphenyl. Next one. The sixth one is Woods fitting reaction. So what is Woods fitting reaction? What is Woods fitting reaction? That means this is a combination of Woods. So Woods fitting reaction. What is Woods fitting reaction? This is a combination of Woods and fitting reactions. So that means a mixture of alkyl halide. That means a mixture of alkyl halide and alkyl arene react with in presence of sodium metal, react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives alkyl arene. That means alkyl halide. For example, let me take R dash X. It is alkyl halide and aryl halide. This is alkyl halide, this is aryl halide. So now this is the mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives alkyl arene. So this is arene, this is R is alkyl group, alkyl arene, and you know that sodium, that means 1 mole sodium metal if we take, that means NaX, sodium halide. So what is Woods fitting reaction? When the mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives alkyl arene as main product. So example, one is alkyl halide. Let me take CH3 methyl group X. This is methyl chloride. So react with this is phenyl chloride. So methyl chloride and phenyl chloride, the mixture plus sodium metal. So the alkyl halide is methyl chloride and aryl halide is phenyl chloride plus sodium metal. Here X is called chlorine. Then Na, so NaCl, that means here let me take okay, let us say here 2 mole sodium, let me take 2 mole sodium. Now 2 moles removed, 2 moles sodium chloride and now we know that this is methyl benzene. This methyl benzene is known as toluene. So toluene is the example for the alkyl arene. So what is Woods fitting reaction? When the mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide react with sodium metal, 2 mole sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives alkyl arene. Alkyl arene. Example, for example, methyl chloride, this is alkyl halide. Phenyl chloride is the aryl halide, react with 2 mole sodium It gives methyl benzene, that is toluene. Here methyl is alkyl group, this is arene group. This is aryl group, this is alkyl group. Alkyl arene and sodium chloride. So this is the example, dry ether.